So it is Sunday and I am looking at this mess. You see all that dust there? I need to set off. Now that 2 of the kittens have found new homes, I think I'm gonna tackle this and rearrange it, because I had to take a lot of the stuff off because they would not go. Like I had my nail polishes there, they knocked that over, so I moved them. And I have my entertainment center here now in front of my bed because I needed to find a place for it, with my TV and just a lot of things I need to do in my room, and I just have no motivation. So hopefully I will tackle that today, and if I do and I remember, then I will record that and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, when I just showed you my entertainment center that I hopefully will clean, that's another thing I have to tackle. I need to move my vanity over to this side of the wall. So I have my desk here, because I want that to be in the background where I film. I think I really do prefer sitting in front of my window to film, or we're going to put it where you can see my closet like I used to do before in my previous videos. I don't know if you guys can help me out with that. And excuse the way I look. I feel like my face is very puffy today. I don't know why, because I did not have salt like that at all, actually. And maybe I'm not drinking enough water. And my hair is a hot mess right now because I just did my hair. I finally colored it. And I have a treatment in right now, which I need to wash out. So I hope you guys are having a good Sunday. It's really hard to hold this phone up. But I'm trying a little something to see if you guys would be interested in me showing you some stuff that I do on a day-to-day. So let me get back to my entertainment center, and hopefully I will get that done at least today, and maybe move some stuff around in my room. So I'll talk to you guys later. So I'm gonna move my desk from here. I had it here before I cleaned it off. Hope that's focused. It's kind of dark. I do apologize. I'm gonna go slow, and that's the lamp I have. I'm watching Aaliyah's face. You guys should be subscribed to her. And then I put all the stuff on my bed. I still haven't done the entertainment center, but I will. And then we're going to move the desk here where I have my nightstand, which I will be moving my nightstand over to this side of the room. Let me turn so you guys can see. So this is going to go where the desk is now, because that's where I had it before, but I moved it. And there's a mess, so do not judge.